First of all, I would like to throw light on making request in English. Will, would, can, could you please? Do you mind? Do you think you could? Do you think it would be possible to? Would it be possible for you to? Would there be any possibility of? Would you be kind enough to? Would you mind? Can, could you? For me, please? Could you possibly? I would appreciate it if you could. Can, could I ask you to? You couldn't. Could you? Do you think you could take me to the supermarket? Could I ask you to take me home? Can you tell me what happened? Would you come to my birthday party? Would it be possible for you to come here at 8 a.m.? Accepting request in English. Sure, I would be glad to. I would be happy to. Sure, just a moment. No problem. Of course, certainly. All right. Refusing request. I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, but I would love to, but sorry to say that. It sounds great, but. Making offers in English. Can I? Shall I? Would you like me to? Would you like? Do you want me to? Do you want? Let me? I can if you would like. I would be happy to. May I offer you? I will if you would like. Examples. Would you like something to drink? Would you like me to open the door? Can I help you? Can I give you a hand? Let me help you. Would you like me to answer the phone? Do you want some more tea? Do you want me to turn down the TV? I would happy to take you to the airport. May I offer you a cup of coffee or tea? Accepting offers. Yes, please. Yes, I would love to. Yes, that would be great. Yes, please. That would be lovely. Yes, if you wouldn't mind. That's very kind of you. That sounds nice. Refusing offers. No thanks. It's okay. I can do it myself. Thank you for your kindness, but I can do it myself. Don't worry, I can do it. I appreciate that, but I can do it myself. Asking and giving permission in English. Seeking for permission. Can I use your pen, please? Can I sit here? Is it okay if I sit here? Can I ask you a question? May I use your computer? May I come in? Can I take a look at your book? Do you mind if I turn down the TV? Do you mind if I use your phone? Would you mind if I open the window? I wonder if I could borrow your car for a few days. Would it be alright if I borrowed your phone? Giving permission. Sure, sure, go ahead. No problem. Yes, you can. Please feel free. I don't mind. Refusing permission. I am afraid not. I am afraid, but you can't. I am sorry, but that's not possible. No, you cannot. You could not do that. Sorry, you are not permitted. Making suggestions and giving advice in English. I think you should go home early. Why don't you join an English club? You would better wake up early. Let's have dinner together. What about having a cup of coffee with me? How about going to the cinema? Don't you think it would be a good idea to have a picnic this Sunday? I suggest that you take a nap. Perhaps you could take an umbrella with you. I strongly advise you to do more workout. I recommend that you get some rest. It's better for you to sleep a little more. Accepting suggestions. Thanks, I will do it. It sounds good. That sounds like a good idea. Thanks, it's a good suggestion. I think you are right. Why don't I think of that? Refusing suggestions. No, I would rather not. I don't think so. I don't feel like it. No, I don't do this. It's a good idea. Not a bad idea. Expressing sympathy. That's too bad. That's so sad. I'm sorry. What a bad luck. I hope things get better soon. It would be okay soon. I hope you feel better soon. What a pity. Oh, that's terrible. Be patient. It would be better soon. I can't tell you how sorry I am. Oh, I am sorry to hear that. I know how it feels. I take my sympathy to you. You must be very upset about it. I sympathize with your condition. Responding. It's very kind of you. Thank you very much. It would be okay. Thanks. Thanks for your sympathy. Thanks for your support. Thank you, friends.